Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is our pool. It is spring in Wisconsin and we are getting things set up. We've just mowed the lawn for I think the second time of the season, getting our garden going. And one of the things we do every now and then, and the point of this video is to show you how to backwash a pool. And our filter pressure is getting a little bit higher, which indicates the debris or the filter is getting kind of dirty, so it is time to backwash it. Let's go to our pool shed and I'll show you how to do that. Here we are. I'll talk a little bit louder. First thing you want to do is shut off your pump. You can't backwash or switch your multi-purpose valve on top of your filter. In our case, this big Hayward filter. We need to turn off the pump. Here's our pump switch power. I'm going to turn it off. You'll hear a quiet noise, or you'll hear the cease of noise. And I forgot to look. We were at about 34 psi, which indicated to me that and that's individual. It depends on what your filter size is and for the pressure. But the next thing you're going to do once the pump is off is to turn your filter. Right now it's in normal filter mode. We're going to turn it to the backwash mode. So for this one, you push down and twist. So it says backwash, or indicated the backwash, and this one says backwash. And now we're going to turn the pump back on, and what that's going to do is send the pool water through the filter to rinse all the particulates out of there, and then it's going to go out our waste chute. So let's go back because we want to observe the water, and then when the water turns clear, here's our hose that I already fed out. And we're going to see, you see how cloudy this is? We're going to wait till this cloudiness turns clear. That's all the dirt, debris, dust, algae, everything that you cleaned out of your pool that your filter captured is being expelled with the dirty water right now. Okay, it's starting to clear up. Give it another 30 seconds or so. And depending on how long you have to backwash, you may have to add water to your pool. In this case, we will. Okay, you can see it's starting to clear up. Before it was really cloudy, now it's slightly cloudy. Okay, and I'm going to go, by the time I get to the pool shed, it will be pretty clear. See how clear that is now? Back to the pool shed. I'm going to turn that pump off again. And now we're going to go from backwash to rinse. So push the lever down, turn it over to rinse, and again activate the pump. And we're going to go out one more time. Okay, this is rinse. This is pretty clean, so I usually give it about 30 seconds or so. That's clear water. We're going to go back and let the pool filter do its normal thing again. And that is our summer firewood. Gonna be a good summer. And that is my brother's dog, World Rock. Okay, back off again. Back in the normal operation, which is just filter mode. Turn it on. Now the pool is a closed system again. Everything's running through here and then back into the pool. But I wanted to note the pressure. It was up around 34 before, so the pressure should be less. The higher the pressure, the harder it is to push water through the filter, which is indicative of a dirty filter. So it's setting off around 28 psi, so about 6 psi difference, maybe 7. And One other thing that you'll notice once you've had a clean filter is your water pressure will be higher. I did notice that our heater, this massive guy next to it, wasn't putting out a lot of pressure on the jets, so this should help a lot. Well, that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Go enjoy your pool.